Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. So today I'm going to tell you a very short story. Okay, so that short story is a half a gift. So it is written by Robert Jacks. So it was published in Collides Weekly magazine on May 17, 1947. I told you it is a short story. Okay, it is only up to 4 pages. So first it was published in Collides Weekly magazine. So of a gift. So what is the meaning of this title of a gift? So of a gift is a short story written by Robert Jacks. So it is a story between brothers. Okay. So who decide to give something to their mother on Mother's Day. So in the last chapter we had discussed about the Christmas gift. So it is also related to, so Christians mainly they believe second Sunday in May as Mother's Day. Okay. So among some Christians, I'll start the lesson. Among some Christians there is a very good custom. They observe the second Sunday in May as Mother's Day. On this day mothers receive cards and gifts from their children. A nice custom, isn't it? Okay, so in the last chapter we had discussed, so on December 25th they celebrate Christmas Day. So here in May second Sunday they consider as Mother's Day. So on this day the Christians give something to their mother. Actually it is a custom. Half a Gift is a story of two young brothers, Joe and Nick. Just underline Joe and Nick. Both of them plan to buy some Mother's Day gift for their mother. What were their gift? Did the gift please the mother? Read and think. Okay, so I told you already it is a story between two young brothers. So one name is Joe and another name is Nick. So what they have planned to give, what they're going to give. So let's read and learn. The story is narrated by the younger brother Joe. Okay, so Joe is the younger brother. If Joe is younger, we can think that Nick is an elder brother. So Joe is narrating the story. I was 10 years old then, and my brother Nick was 14. Okay, Joe is the narrator of the story of a gift. So he is telling he is just 10 years old and his brother is of 14 years. We thought of buying a Mother's Day gift for our mother. This thought filled us with great excitement. It was to be our first gift to her. Okay, so in our childhood, of course, we may think that we wanted to give something to our mother. So because it filled with joy. Okay, so it gives happiness to us. So here also, Joe and Nick thought of giving Mother's Day gift for their mother. So it was filled with great excitement. So excitement means strong emotion caused by something pleasant. Of course, it is true, no? So if we are giving something to our mother, means so we'll be very excited. It was to be our first gift to her. So Joe is telling, so this is the first gift they are going to give their mother. We were very poor. Our father worked as a clerk in a small factory. It was with great difficulty that he could meet the needs of the family. Okay, so Joe is telling they are very poor. So his father is working in a small factory as a clerk. Okay, so if he is working in a small factory means he cannot expect much amount or much salary. Okay, so here he is getting a low salary and hardly was maintaining the needs of the family with great difficulty. But he was a kind and loving father. He never forgot to bring us birthday and Christmas gifts. However, such a thing as a Mother's Day gift never came to our mind because we never got any pocket money. So even though Joe's father is working in a small factory, but he never forget to bring on their birthdays or for Christmas gift. Okay, so on their birthdays and during Christmas, so without miss, so he was bringing gifts. However, such a thing as a Mother's Day gift never came to our mind because we never got any pocket money. So his father is earning a very low money, so he never, both the brothers never got any pocket money just to buy Mother's Day gift. But once we had been fortunate, Nick and myself, a small furniture shop had opened near the street where we lived. Okay, so fortunate means luck. So it was their luck. So it was the luck for Nick and Joe. A small furniture shop had opened near the street where they lived. So a small furniture shop opened. So where they lived. So in the street, deliveries were made to the customer's home by means of an old push cart. So here push cart means small cart pushed by hand. You might have seen that push cart. So even till to this day we are using that just to, if you want to deliver anything, so we push that by hand. Okay, so here furniture shop opened, no? So if any customers want deliveries, so they can hire or they can take the help of helpers. We worked some evenings on this pushcart to get money for our Mother's Day gift. The owner gave us 10 cents each for one round. Sometimes we got a tip also. Okay, so if they deliver that furniture to the customer's home, for one trip they were getting 10 cents. So cents means coin. Okay, so they were getting 10 cents for one trip. Sometimes they got tip also from the customers. Every time Nick counted his coins, his thin face would brighten up. The joyful thought of the present would bring sweet smiles on his face. He had got this idea of the Mother's Day gift from someone at his school. So every time Nick was counting his coins. Okay, so whenever he counts the coins, his face was brighten up. Okay. So his thin face. Okay, you can imagine. So what was the size of the boy? So the joyful thought of the present would bring sweet smiles on his face. Okay, so every time when he counted the coins, a sweet smile was coming on his face. He had got this idea of Mother's Day gift from someone at his school, even though he too doesn't know. So Mother's Day is in we celebrate or not. Okay, so he got this idea from someone else at his school. What a pleasant surprise it would be for mother. The joy of giving the present grew in us every evening, and we were almost wild with excitement. Okay, so here what a pleasant surprise it would be for mother. So if we give something to our mother, of course she may feel happy. Okay, the joy of giving the present grew in us every evening. So how much their mother will feel happy, he doesn't know, but every evening the joy was growing like anything, and we were almost wild with excitement. Okay, so here wild means mad in excitement means, so he was in more joy. Okay, when we secretly told our father about our plan, he was very pleased. He stroked our heads proudly. It's a fine idea, he said. It will make your mother very happy. Okay, so they disclosed it with their father, not with the mother. So when the father heard about this, even he too felt happy, and he stroked their heads proudly. Stroke means he put his hand on their heads and he was proud of his children. And he said, yeah, it's a fine idea, so it will make your mother very happy. Okay, so I told you already, he is a clerk in a small factory. Okay, so he was hardly getting a small amount. He didn't give anything to his wife. Okay, if now if his children are going to give something to his wife means he may feel happy, no? And next, from his tone, we knew that he was thinking he had never given anything to mother. Okay, so the children understood that. So when father said, yeah, it's a fine idea, your mother will be happy, so they thought that, so he had never given anything to mother. She worked all day cooking and scrubbing and washing, and she did all this silently. She never complained. She did not laugh much but was never angry. Her smile was a wonderful thing. And when she smiled at us, what a joy we felt. Okay. So here that Joe's father understood his wife very well. Okay, so Joe's mother is busy all the time, so she worked all day, that is cooking, scrubbing and washing. So she spent all the day in cooking, scrubbing and washing, and she did all this silently. She never complained about this, and she had not laughed much. Okay. So whenever she smiled, so her smile is a wonderful thing. So whenever she smiled at us, what a joy we felt. So if she smiled, even we too felt happy, and we too felt joy. What are you going to give her? Father asked. How much money have you got? Okay, so now father is inquiring. So what you are going to give? So how much money you have? Enough, said Nick. Father smiled. So enough. Enough means I have enough money to buy present. Okay. So even he didn't ask for money with his father. Okay. So this one gave joy to Joe's father, so he smiled.